Hello friends, this is Jaik. Today I'm coming to you with a slightly different video from our previous videos. So what we're going to look at is how to adjust a covered call, a deeply in the money covered call. So this is the situation. I've sold a covered call. When I sold it, it was out of the money, and now it's deeply in the money. I sold this JP Morgan Chase, and the underlying stop was at 87. Now the stock is sitting at around, I think, 100. Let's check the price. It's sitting at 99.78. And since it's sold at 93.5, the strike price, it's deeply in the money. And now I might not want to sell, to have this option exercised. Reason being, in this particular case for me, it's okay, me losing the stock. But hypothetically, let's think that I had bought this stock when it was like 50 or something. So I have tons of profit on the stock. And I really don't want the option to be exercised, lose the stock, and create a tax event. And mainly, you don't want this to happen when what you really intended was to make a little bit of money, but you really don't want to sell the stock and create a tax event. So let's go about how to adjust this option. So let's click the option, and if you look at here, I bought it at $2.85. I mean, in total, I got 285. Actually, the credit I got was $1.02. And this numbers look slightly different for the three contracts because this was a two option strategy where I had bought back the previous week's call and sold a new one. So that's why you see the average credit per share is 102 and doesn't exactly tie back to what is the dollar amount that you see here. Okay. So going back, it's 6.658, but you don't really care about that. What you really care about is you don't want an option event, this option stocks being exercised this Friday, 5 May 29. What I do, go to the options page, click on your option, which is $6.58 now. Then go to the sell, go to next month, June 5. Look for a price where you won't be under or you'll be slightly over. Okay. So if I sell the $94 one, I'll get 60.83 and I'll get a total credit of 25 cents. That means in total I get 25 times 100, $25, right? So now your question might be like, why do I do this? Because it's not that different, right? I mean, it can still be sold. So friends, I did two things with this. First of all, yeah, I'm getting a credit, $25, not that, a couple of burgers. And the second one is, see, I'm capturing a $50 here between this week, right? It's 93.5. It would have been sold at 93.5. Now it will only be sold at 94. So I captured another $50 there. So that's number two. Also, you have to remember this is being exercised a week later. Okay. So I'm saying for this week, two things can happen next week. The prices can go up from 99, prices can come down. Let's say the prices go up. What would I do then? Let's say it goes to 105, right? What I'll do is I'll just roll it over another 5 cents or one dollar. I mean, sorry, 50 cents or $1, and still do the same. So I capture another dollar. So let's say week after it went up, and the following week I sell the buyback this $94 one and sell this $95 one. So what am I doing here? I captured another dollar. I got some credit, and the options is being extended for another week out. And what is the purpose of doing all this? It's pretty simple. You do this because a stock cannot go infinitely high. You know, it can go up, but it cannot go up for weeks. There will be some retracement at some point. So I'm just waiting for that. 3 weeks from now, 4 weeks from now, the stock will come down to, like, let's say it came back to 96. right? So see, there you're golden. So now you're again quite back to where you can buy it back. So let's say a couple of weeks out, I'm at 95.5, so I sold at 95.5. I adjusted it and I sold at 95.5 strike price, and the stock is sitting at 96. So that week, what you can do is two things. Either you just buy it back and wait, or you just go ahead and sell a 97 or a $98 call. So again, now, so assumption, now the stock price is sitting at 96. You're selling again an out of the money call, and you're capturing all the gains. The stock would have been sold at 93.5, right, originally. Now you capture all the capital gains. So friends, this is how you roll an option. I'm not executing this trade because it's always good to do it on Friday because there is some volatility time value left in this. Only $2 worth, but still there's some of that left. So I'll only do this next Friday. All right. Thanks for now. If you have any questions, let me know. Um, be safe. Be happy. Bye for now.